lovely people, welcome back to another video on the channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for holding me down. Guys, you have no idea how glad I am to have you in my life. I am really grateful. Okay. So in today's video guys, I am so excited because I am stepping out of my comfort zone. I don't know how I will look after this, but I am believing that it's gonna turn out great. So I am trying a color in my hair, not 100% color, is blended with a 1B, that is a black and blue. I have always done purple with a black, but I have never tried blue. I don't remember. No, never tried blue braids in my hair. So I am going to do this and hopefully it will turn out great. Okay, so guys, let's get straight into the video. I'm not gonna talk too much. I will show you the items that I will be using. So I will be using the Expression pre-stretch braids, and this is how the hair looks like. This is the color 1B and this is the blue at the tip. Okay, I just washed my hair and I used this cream in it. I also have my clips here and yeah, my big comb, and let me get a new comb here and my small comb. Anywho, this is my working space, so guys, please pardon me if you see a lot of things in the background. This is where I work, I braid. Okay, all right, so let's get straight into the video. And I don't think I can record everything because I don't want this video to be very long, but I will show you the step. This is actually my first video of doing box braids. I have done Senegalese twist and I have also done some videos on style using my natural hair to do some styles. Yeah, so this is actually going to be my first box braid video on camera. Okay, wish me luck guys.
And I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my 30-second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and
Guys, oh my goodness, I am loving this already. Just look at that. I am finished with one side. Just see, guys, it's not too bright, and I am loving it. Oh my god. I am loving it. I am loving it. I will see you when I am finally done, okay? Stay tuned. Guys, I am super proud of myself. So I am done, but it's left for me to put it in hot water, put some mousse on it, and I am done. Guys, how do I look? Ooh, it hurts. See? Ooh. Ooh, ooh. It hurt. Guys, I am waiting for the water. Ooh, it hurts. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep tonight, but guys, this is the end product, and I am so excited. I am super excited. Let me know in the comment section how I look, if you like it, you know. And all that. And all that. I don't know. Huh. I think like the black is making it, you know, reasonable. Let me get closer a little bit. You know, so I am just done with the hot water process, the spray, the touch up and all that. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow with a little makeup maybe, and see how it goes. And it's a lot, guys. I had to take a break to eat, trust me, but I did that off camera because I was hungry. Okay guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.